Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu II, the founder of Arcanet Technologies. You are welcome to this discussion. In this video, I will show you how to use PowerPoint. Please watch to the end as you will learn the basic things you will need to do to start using PowerPoint. Without adding too much ado, let us dive into it. First, you will have to open the PowerPoint presentation program. PowerPoint is a suite program that is embedded in Microsoft Corporation. Once you open the program, you select, it will present to you different types of templates. You choose any template of your choice. In this situation, I will choose blank presentation. So I will click here. When I click here, it will load. After loading, here is what we'll call slide. Slide is like a page in Word document. In Excel, it is called spreadsheet, but here we'll call it slide. So you can see that I have just one slide. If you need another slide, you will click this button to get new slide. Again, if you have been using Office application like Word or Excel, you will notice that it has the same look. Here is a menu bar. When you click on any menu, it will show you the properties available for that menu. We'll have design, we'll have transition, we'll have animation, we'll have slideshow. We'll be using some of these options in our subsequent videos. Please stay tuned. But for this particular video, which is basic introduction on how to use PowerPoint, I will stick to the home menu. So as it's telling me to click here to add title, I'll just click and add the title of what I'm about to teach. It may be coronavirus awareness or any topic of my choice. Let me say, for instance, introduction to computer. You can bold it just the same way you bold in other Office application. You can increase the size, reduce it, and do whatever you want to do that is available. So once I finish typing my title, I will come down here where I have click to add subtitle. I'll click and type by Google Patrick C as the author of the presentation. Then when I am through with the first slide, I am now ready to bring out the second slide. I will come to this place, new slide, and click on it. It will show me the second slide. Here it's also saying click to add title. So I will click here and add my title, something like introduction. So in my introduction, it will ask me again, click to add text. I can also change this thing from introduction to overview. It depends on the topic you are teaching or the need of the audience. So, but let me go with introduction. So when I come down here, I will then have to type the introduction by defining computer. Okay, let me even change it to definition. It can be anything. Remember, this video is just to show you how to use the computer, the PowerPoint program. Computer is an electronic device capable of accepting data as input, processes the data with the help of instruction known as program, brings out the results as outputs, and stores it for future use. So after typing the definition, maybe I will need to sketch some graphic. So what I will do is just to go to insert and click on shape. From shape, I have uh, some number of shapes here. I'll choose on the one that I want and draw the shape. I need another one, but I will be using Control C, Control V, or I'll just use Control D to duplicate it. You can see as I'm dragging is aligning the object with the previous one so that it will maintain straight line. So the next thing I will do is to draw an arrow. I'll go back to insert. From shapes, I'll choose arrow and draw it from this point to this point. I can increase the size of the arrow, that's the width. I will right click on it and click on edit text. Then here I will write input, do the same thing here, edit text, process, edit text, output. So this is basically what computer does. It collects inputs, processes the inputs, and brings out the results, also known as output. Once I'm through with the second slide, I can go on and bring out the third slide here. But if you notice, we'll have on this slide option, we'll have new slide, the icon here. Down below here, we'll have the arrow. I will use this arrow because once I click on this new slide using the icon, it's going to give me this type of layout. So I don't need this type of layouts again. So I will use this option. When I click here, I will then choose the type of layout I would like to use. So here now, I am going to choose this layout that will give me a layout that will give me 2 columns. Okay, so I will go ahead and click on it. So I have another slide. Click to add title. I'll click here. I can say types of computer. Basically, there are 3 types of computer, which is a analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. But for the course of this lesson, I will just use 2. So I'll use analog and digital. Actually, this is computer type based on device, or types of computer based on device. So I will go and insert a new slide for computer type based on size. So I would like to use this type of layout. So I will then type computer type based on device. So here we'll have something like super computer, have mainframe computer, we have mini computer, and finally we have microcomputer. So I want to show you how to use images. So if I want to bring out the images of these type of computers, what I will do is go back to my new slide and choose a layout that will allow me to use image. For example, if I can choose this one or any of these. So let me pick one. So mainframe, I will type it as the title, then come down here and discuss my mainframe. Maybe it's a business computer that has the ability to support over 100 users at a time. It's also known as multi-user computer. So if I want to add image of a mainframe computer, coming to this place, you see different images that you can add. Remember, anytime we say image, we mean graphics, charts, video, audio, and other forms of multimedia. They are all images. So I can add table here, or charts, or smart graphic. I can also add ordinary picture, or add picture from online. I can as well add video. So but in this case, I'll just select picture from this place. Once I click on picture, it will bring out a dialog box where I will locate my picture wherever it is. Remember, we are looking for a picture for, I will select the picture for mainframe. I will select it and click on insert. The picture will come up. I can use this button to reshape it, to size it, and make it look the way I want it. So this is how to include images. Okay, let me just redo it again in case you did not understand the first one. I said you go to home, click on new slide, and choose the type of layout. So here, let me use microcomputer. Then coming down here, I'll say that a microcomputer is a personal computer. It is referred to as a PC. PC stands for personal computer. So to add a picture, I click here, locate the picture, and insert it. Microcomputer also microcomputer has different categories. We have personal computer or desktop computer, then we have laptop, then we also have mobile. They are all sizes of microcomputers. So these are basic steps that are needed for PowerPoint presentation. Lastly, before we go, if you have a need of inserting your own voice, if you want to record your own voice, you can as well do that. For example, if I click on this slide number 3, maybe if I don't want to write this thing, I can use a voice record to record it. So what I will need to do is to click on insert button. From insert, I have here where I can upload video, but here is for audio. Then when you click on it, it asks you if you want to upload audio from your computer, or if you would like to record your own audio. So I will click here to record my own audio. So here it will ask me for a name for the audio. So say I want a name for analog or digital, any one of your choice. So once you click on it, you start recording. Here is recording button. If you see this total sound length is still 0. Immediately you click on this, it will start recording. Digital computer is a type of computer that performs its operation in a discrete manner. It makes use of a binary system, which is zeros and ones. Once we are through, you click OK. Immediately you click OK, a button will come down here, will appear here with a play button. If you play it now, you will notice that it's repeating that thing that I just recorded. Let's see it. Digital computer is a type of computer that performs its operation in a discrete manner. It makes use of a binary system, which is zeros and ones. So you can also use this thing in different areas. You can use it in different ways. You can use it in other places. Here are the complete um, presentation. I have uh, 6 slides here. I've made use of different features, the drawing features, the inserting of graphics, and last, the recording features. Then there are one other thing that we need to do. This one is bonus. The bonus mark is the bonus tutorial is how you can insert design to this. You can insert design by going to design tab. When you click on it, you then choose any type of design of your choice. Your desired design. You can see as you move, it will show you different design. So you can choose any of them. For this case, I will use this. I'll just click on it to apply it. So once I click on it, it will apply across other slides. So this is how to do this. Thank you very much for watching. In my next video, I will also teach different techniques that are needed in PowerPoint presentation. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.